Hey guys, welcome to question MM356 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So in this question we've got the number of cars owned per household X in Victoria is a random variable with the following discrete probability distribution. So this table here. If two households are selected at random, the probability that they own the same number of cars is. Now, this can be a little tricky to kind of interpret what we need to do. But if we just think about it kind of logically, it's going to come out and make sense here, okay? So if we pick two households, so we pick the first one, and then we pick the second one, they each have the same probability to have any number of these cars in their household, right? So the possibilities for, let's just say probability the same, if they had the same number of cars, they could both have 0, both have 1, both have 2, or both have 3. Right? That's the only possibilities here. So this is the same. The probability that they have the same is the probability that both of them have 0 plus the probability that, can I write further? Yes. Plus the probability that they both have 1 plus the probability that they both have 2 plus the probability that they both have 3. Okay? Now, if we think about this as a tree diagram, that's probably going to be the best way to look at it. So let's imagine that you've got a tree diagram and the first household has 0 cars, okay? There's a 0.05 chance of that particular house having 0 cars. Then the next household also has 0 cars. Now what's the probability, or how do we work out the probability that both of them had 0 cars? We do this one times this one, okay? So we end up getting 0.05 times 0.05, and that is the probability that both of them have 0, right? Because the probability that one has 0 is 0.05. Plus, the probability that they both have 1 is 0.3 times 0.3, right? Because the probability that the first one has it is 0.3, and then the probability that the second one has it is also 0.3. I'm sure you can start seeing a pattern here as well. So then the probability that they both have 2 is 0.5 times 0.5. Probability that they both have 3 is 0.15 times 0.15. Now what this ends up as is 0.365, which is our answer of E. Guys, if you have any questions about this, including this tree diagram stuff, let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.